Hey everyone, Samsung just released Note 20 series. It is so confusing what really we are getting with these phones. What are the most important things keep in mind and should you even get a Note 20? I am Satya. I'll be talking about Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and Galaxy Note 20. Both phones are similar, squarish and stylish on the bottom left. The newer Note 20 has slightly round edges and flat panel, but it's something between Galaxy A71 and Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. The difference in terms of looks isn't that large though. Both has matte metal finishes, both are come up with Type-C port. Even though they look similar, the material used is very different. The regular Note has plastic back and Ultra has dual glass on the both sides. The Ultra has QHD plus display, whereas the Note 20 has Full HD plus display. All the premium phones are in 2020 are 120Hz display. The stylus is more powerful now. Still, it has the latency of 9 milliseconds to respond on the screen, but it is comparing to Note 10, it is more powerful, more 26 milliseconds higher than Note 10. The Ultra has 6.9-inch QHD plus display, whereas Note 20 has 6.7-inch Super AMOLED LED display. So the Ultra supports QHD at 60Hz and Full HD at 120Hz. The regular Note only supports 60Hz at Full HD screen. The Ultra has QHD and it supports Full HD at 120Hz. So the Note 20 does not have 120Hz. That makes no sense. Well, these are marketing strategies. If we ignore the high resolution and refresh rate, both phones have fantastic colors and very good brightness that usually goes up to 1500 nits. As far as the battery concerned, Note 20 has 4300 mAh battery and Note 20 Ultra has 4500 mAh battery capacity. Samsung is saying it will last morning to night, but we need to look at over the time how it work. Well, gaming wise, both phones has 865 plus chipset at United States basically, but worldwide it has Exynos 990. In terms of performance, Snapdragon is already taken over Exynos, and it will also impact the battery uses. Well, Note has 8 GB of RAM, whereas Ultra has 12 GB of RAM. Both has one UI, basically maintained by Samsung, which is based out of Android 10. And Samsung pushes the security upgrades here and there, mostly monthly wise. As far as camera concerned, there are new updates to the camera. One is duration of photos you can take, and there is one pro mode which you can wirelessly connect to a TV with your phone. The Ultra has 108 MP main camera, 12 MP 5 times telephoto which is optical zoom, 12 MP ultra wide camera which also supports 50x space zoom. These are very excellent phones, there is no doubt in that, but when it comes to comparing, S20 is not justified when there is S20 Ultra and S20 exist in the market. Well, you are getting the much of the functionality with S20 Ultra at lesser price, and features are better, which is S20 Ultra at least on the paper. If you are not using stylus more frequently, then you can look after S20 Ultra as well, but the choice is yours. The Samsung Note series is improving just better and better over the S20 Ultra. There are few minor improvements, but it is interesting to see which phone goes into market and how well it will go. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoy this video. If you are coming for the first time, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay in touch. We will meet in next video.